Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Dear Eva Inspiring Solutions. Thank you Letter Sender for the trust. First time ko pong makatanggap nito at pasensya na po, nakasunglass. May sakit pa rin ako hanggang ngayon, thyroid ko, cholesterol. Marami pa ako sakit-sakit, pasensya na po. Okay, ito na po yung dream meaning. And, I did my research, so ito na ang detalye. If you dream about sick nails, yung parang may sakit yung kuko, in a dream it's a warning. It warns the dreamer about the illness of someone from the family. The same plot can also symbolize negative emotions and quarrels, trouble in the family. So ingat-ingat po, hindi po lahat ng kapamilya natin kasundo. Kahit anong bait mo, hindi lahat ng tao ma-please natin. If another person's nail got off, so kung sa panaginip nyo, meron kayong nakitang kuko ng ibang tao na parang natuklap, natanggal, this is the sign that you should pay attention to your family. Family trouble daw ang meaning. Minsan parang kinakausap tayo ng universe through our dream. Parang warning siya, yung pala may meaning. Parang baliwala lang, yung pala may meaning. Kung paulit-ulit na, may meaning talaga yan. Or kung clear talaga sa memory nyo, naalala nyo pa yung dream nyo, tapos parang balisa kayo, hanggat maaari, ipa-interpret nyo. Kasi minsan, dream is a guide. It seems like the universe is talking to you through your dreams. Minsan wala lang, minsan may meaning. So kung sa tingin nyo, parang balisa kayo, so to put your mind at ease, ipa-interpret na. So ito na po. Okay, ingat-ingat lang kasi hindi lahat ng kapamilya mabait sa atin. Thank you all so much and see you all again next time.